Here's how to build a consistent trading routine, even if you're still learning. Do you ever feel like your trading results are all over the place? Some days you're locked in, other days you're emotional, reactive, and second guessing everything. I used to be right there until I built the routine that gave me confidence, control, and consistency. Today I'm going to break down exactly how to build your trading routine step by step. Let's get right into it. If you're tired of waking up and winging it with your trades, this video is going to give you a blueprint to build a routine that actually works. Why routine matters. Let me be clear, the market doesn't reward randomness. Without a routine, you're actually not trading, you're gambling. A solid routine helps you prep before the chaos begins, stick to your strategy, avoid FOMO and revenge trading, log and learn from every move. Think of your routine like a professional's warm-up. You don't just show up to the game and hope to be the best. You have to prepare, you have to practice, you have to go through the game plan and go through the scouting report, decide exactly what you're going to do before the game comes so you can execute at a high level. It all starts with the night before. Before you go to sleep, and before I go to sleep, I would suggest that you review key markets for tomorrow, identify top stocks and levels that you're watching, or identify stocks that I'm watching, set alerts for pre-market gaps or volume surges. And what I always do, and I would suggest that you do, is journal. So I write down my trading goals and my plan for the day in my Trade Life Mastery journal. This helps me go in with a clear, defined plan, and I'm already locked in before the morning. Now, when I wake up, here's my morning game plan. Wake up early. You don't want to rush. You don't want to be just fumbling around at doing things at the very last minute. You want to be in a mental, peaceful state. So first thing I do, I drink water. I do some light movement, meditation, say some affirmations, do some gratitude, and also some prayer for myself as well. I check the news, see if there's any urgent news that happened overnight. I also review the Trade Life Mastery alerts. I have the free live alerts on my website, and you can go to tradelifemastery.com/live alerts, or you can click the link in my bio. I reread my plan from last night, then I write out exactly what steps I'm looking for. No guessing, no gambling, following my system step by step. During market hours, once the market finally opens, the one rule to follow is to execute the plan. No emotions. I don't enter just because something is moving. I stick to my setups, clear entries, define risk, and my calculated targets. If I ever get that itch or urge to force a trade, I get up from my desk and I take a walk to keep the discipline. And discipline is the real edge. Post-market review, I go back to journaling. I always journal what I traded, why I entered, where I exited, what I learned, even if I didn't trade, how I felt about what I saw, what I would have done if I was to trade, what I would have entered, what I would have exited, what I would have put my stop loss, what I would have taken profits out. So even if I don't enter a trade for a day, I still write down exactly what I would have done if I was to enter that trade. And this journaling habit changed everything for me. Now here are some of the most common mistakes to avoid. And this is where most people mess up. They don't write anything down. They change their strategy every day, or worse, they don't even have a strategy. Some people trade out of boredom. They just are bored and say, hey, let me just make a trade. I haven't traded in a while. It's time for me to make a trade. And lastly, they let one loss spiral into 5. They're always trying to catch up. They get down $50 or $100 and they say, hey, I need to make that back up, so they overtrade. So if that's you, don't let that be you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment routine below so I know you're serious about building your system. I'll reply and even help you refine it. If you want my daily checklist, the link is in the description. And also don't forget to check out the free live alerts at tradelifemastery.com/live alerts. See you guys in the next video.